Yes, that's a trout. Well, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Well, this time we're in the river, we're wading and we're after some wild trout. Now, as I said in my previous video, yes, rivers are closed. Before you come on this video going, you're fishing a river, rivers in my area are open. This is the bylaws, you can check this for East Anglia and Essex. Rivers are open for fly fishing using wet or dry flies, as long as you're targeting areas which are known for trout. And that's where we are. Fingers crossed we can get a few trout. I'll start rolling these clips. Yes, that's a trout. Yes! Ooh. Oh, what a lovely fish. Oh, that's in my jeans. Lovely fish. Releasing him now. Good job. Woohoo! Yes! Got another. Oh, this is a little baby. Oh, what a lovely fish. There you go, guys. They are just beautiful. What a lovely way to catch them. Yes! Two! Sorry.
Yeah.
Is this all spiders?
It looks like spider nests.
That is actually terrifying.
It is.
Oh!
That one?
Yeah. Yes. Oh, well, it's nice to know that they're small in here. Well, look at that, that's pristine. It's nice to know. Very nice to know that they do get small in here. Well, I'm chuffed with that. I'm chuffed with that, guys. Sweet. well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry about the shade on my face. It's the only place I could find to do an intro in the river. If you guys did enjoy, smash that like button. Let me know in the comment section as well. Do you want to see more raiding for trout? It's certainly been good fun. And of course, smash that subscribe button if you're new around here. I'll catch you guys next time in the next instalment.